Tammy Jones with OSU Extension in Pike County, and I will be offering a Cooking Plus class starting October the 4th at 10 a.m. This class is a 4-week session, and it will be held at the Pike Outreach at 306 Bridge Street in Waverly. This program is being offered and supported with funds from Adena Healthy System. Anyone who is a patient of Adena Health System at any location has the opportunity to attend this class free of charge. We will be talking about nutrition education, food safety in the kitchen, as well as learning new kitchen skills and actually creating meals at each class. The class will begin at 10 a.m. and will end at noon, and it will end with lunch for each participant each day of the class. The class dates are October the 4th, 11th, 18th, and 25th, beginning at 10 a.m. and ending at noon. We will have the class at Pike Outreach at 306 Bridge Street in Waverly, and it's open to anyone who sees any Adena provider, no matter what location it is. I invite you to call my office at 740-289-4837 or email me at jones.5640@osu.edu to get your seat reserved. Space is limited, so please call or email to reserve your spot. Again, Cooking Plus class will begin on October the 4th at 10 a.m. in Waverly.